We survived, guys. We survived. Good, that's good. It's refreshing. Hi, pigeon. No way. What? It actually shocked me. Sup? Hi. Welcome to my channel, Nisha Kinda Cool, and I am Nisha. So, today we are going to try out some life hacks. और आई गेस ब्यूटी हैक्स. तो मैं स्क्रॉल कर रही थी. क्या स्क्रॉल कर रही थी? इंस्टा एंड यूट्यूब. On both of the platforms, I suddenly came across so many beauty hacks that I wondered that do they actually work or do they not? So I thought, why not try as many as I can in one single day and give you guys the results. Now I know that most of those hacks requires me to follow them for more than one day, but I want to see which one of those gives instant results. Try करने में क्या जा रहा है? Because many of these hacks claim that they work in one single time, but all of us know that they requires to be done regularly to see the results. We are going to try it anyway, and then after trying that, we are going to rank them, and as if I am some beauty specialist or something, but I'll rank them according to how well they work in one single time. Should I even try this out? For the first and the most basic life hack, which everyone follow, is the ice water dunk. Many of these celebrities have recommended this, like Alia Bhatt, Katrina Kaif, and Hailey Bieber, I guess.
No, my nails look puffy right now.
Actually, I don't even think that I have ice right now. So first we need to go and see that. If not, we are going to try some other hack first, and we'll try this hack whenever the ice is ready. Let me tell you the instructions as well for all the newbies like me. I mean, we all have seen how simple the process is, but yeah, why not? So the process is that you have to dunk your face in water for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and what it does is it tightens your skin and remove all the puffiness on your face and shrinks your pores. First, let's go and check if the ice is ready or not. Never mind, I'll never be aesthetic. I was this close to get scolded by mummy, but we survived, guys. We survived. Should I bring it here only? This is the before, and now let's try out that ice hack. I have the ice water, and we have to do this quickly because the ice is melting at the speed of light. Should I wear this here or I'll ruin it? Alright, I'm scared. No. It's refreshing. Okay, once again. Yeah, I feel it. I'm enjoying it actually, I love water. So this is how I'm looking after the ice water dunk. I can say that it's extremely refreshing. I'm doing it every day now. I love this feeling of ice cold water on my face. Hopefully I don't catch cold. So I rate this ice water dunk a solid 9 out of 10. Do my face look less puffier? I was feeling a bit lazy, but now मैं अच्छे से जाग गई हूँ. Oh, hi pigeon. It's been a few minutes. Can you see my small pimple? This area is a bit red right now. let's move on to the next skincare. According to ChatGPT, Ananya Pandey has given the hack called banana peel rub, and it is for soft glow and slight tightening. Rub the banana peel on your face for 10 minutes. If this helps with pimples, that would be great because I have a pimple right here. Should I try it? Should I not? Okay, I'll try it. Actually, I wanted to try this rice flour scrub by Janvi Kapoor. It's for instant exfoliation. Yet you have to mix rice flour and curd and scrub it for 2 minutes. I'll try both. Is the redness gone? Is the redness seriously gone? Oh my god. Is this working? Or I'm delusional or something? No way. No way. What? This can be a great hack. I'm not recommending it, but if you get the redness and all, I think you should try it out once. Only on a smaller area. Just try it out because where is the redness? That actually shocked me. And now let's fatafat try the rice flour with curd to exfoliate our skin. I'm still in shock about that banana peel hack. Oh my god. Seriously, I'm amazed. I never thought that I'll be amazed because of such hacks. This is my skin before. And to be honest, this rice flour curd mask would be a great option for you guys to exfoliate your skin because the grainy texture of the rice flour made it feel exactly like any other exfoliator. I feel very clean and it really feels like that it has cleaned out my pores and my skin feels smooth. Generally when I use any other exfoliator, my skin becomes dry, but after using this rice flour and curd, my skin feels smooth, soft and not dry. So I'll rate that banana peel 9 out of 10 and this 8.5 to 9 out of 10. We have tried 3 hacks till now and we are going to try 2 more. We are going to try the lip scrub which was shared by Rihanna. Sure. So according to ChatGPT, Rihanna shared a DIY lip scrub. The lip scrub consists of sugar and coconut oil. It instantly exfoliates lips and make them plumper and soft. Also, there is one another hack. For that, you need to use sea salt plus honey. This is more like a plumper. I recommend you guys to also not just blindly follow any hacks. Even if you are just 1% unsure about that hack, I think you should listen to your heart and if you really want to try that hack, you should first ask to some people who have similar skin type like yours and then see if there are any reaction or not and then try that hack. I am slightly unsure about the tingling part of the sea salt plus honey lip plumper, so I'm going to pass that and I'll just try Rihanna's lip scrub which will be made using sugar and coconut oil. So let's try that. First I'll put the lip scrub. Hopefully I don't get a reaction after trying all these things on the same day. Wow, I actually look creepy. 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's actually been 10 minutes. the lip scrub first. कुछ और work करे ना करे, coconut oil works always. And yes, it moisturized my lips and my lips feel more moisturized than before, and that was a good scrub. 8 out of 10, because there are many such similar masks, but I came across the coconut oil ingredient in this one. So yep. And now let's talk about the cocoa powder and aloe vera gel mask. It's pretty decent, but I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I think it will bring out more glow once I use it regularly. It was new because generally people use coffee. That was interesting. I'll give it 6 out of 10. Yeah, and if you guys would like me to try some more hacks, so please do comment. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. Have a great time. Also, one more thing, before trying anything on your skin, just do a patch test on your hand or something, so you can see if there's a reaction or not, and then only put that on your face. Take care of your skin, take care of yourself. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy, and please do recommend what kind of challenges and video you would like to see. Also make sure to like, comment and subscribe for such